Great. He won't, well, I say that. He won't go in here, but there are times he will. And drive me crazy. Like he'll just pee in the case.
Yeah, well, it's the same way.
But this thing's awesome because I can leave him in, I know where he is, you know.
Hey, because my
Can't keep my eyes
YouTube.
on.
We'll put it on YouTube. We got Gromit's the big guy, and Hoover's the little guy.
Is that video?
Yeah, let's do video. Yeah, oh, there you go. You're licking my lens. And then we got Chris Sly from American Idol. It's Jack.
Sit. Sit. Stay. Sit. Stay.
Tell him to sit again. Stop moving.
Sit.
Stop moving.
Sit.
Stop moving.
Sit.
Good boy.
Sit. Sit. Who's gonna get it?
Bud.
Hoover did.
Oh,
Hoover wins. Wow. What's
Brown is crying right now because she didn't give him one.
Hi, Nora.
He's sad right now.
Make him sit.
Okay.
Sit.
Sit.
Hey.
Sit. 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 Sit.
Make them both sit.
Sit.
Hoover,
Sit.
where's your cookie?
Sit. Sit.
Sit. Sit. Hoover,
Sit.
sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit. Sit. Sit. Sit. Sit. Sit. It's Hoover fighting.
They're talking. Hey.
Can you swim in my pool? No, it's too dirty.
I know, but when I clean it up. Okay, when I clean it up, can you come back and swim in my when I clean it up?
Yeah.
Okay, you promise? You can we bring the
Sure.
doggies?
You want to go in the pool now?
No.
No? Why not?
It's pretty. It's emerald green.
Because it's so dirty. Because the toys are gone.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Okay.